Welcome to this video, and this video lecture is based on the covariant form of Maxwell's equations. So in the other lecture I talk about electromagnetic field tensor, and we can derive Maxwell's equations using electromagnetic field tensor. So for that, let us proceed as follows. So using electromagnetic field tensor, Maxwell's equations can be derived. So for this, let us consider the equation curly f lambda mu over curly x nu plus curly f mu nu over curly x lambda and curly f nu lambda over curly x mu, and this is equal to 0. And say this is equation number 9, and it is the continuation of earlier lecture. So now consider lambda mu nu in a combination of 1, 2 and 3. So then using this equation number 9 will become curly f1 2 over curly x3 plus curly f2 3 over curly x1 plus curly f3 1 over curly x2 is equal to 0. Now we will use equations 6.4, 6.5 and 6.6 in the earlier lecture, substituting these values. So if I substitute their values, so then it is minus bz over curly x cube or this x3 can be written as it is z plus curly minus bx over it is curly x and it is curly minus by upon curly y, and it must be equal to 0. And taking minus from everything and bringing this towards that side, then it will become cancel out. So that means this in directly can be written as curly z curly b x over curly x and curly b y over curly y. This is equal to 0. And if we arrange it systematically, then curly vx over curly x plus curly by over curly y plus curly vz over curly z, it is equal to 0. And this leads to del dot b is equal to 0. So this is Maxwell's equation. This is one Maxwell's equation. Right. So this is derived from here. Now, if I take lambda is equal to 1, mu is equal to 2 and nu is equal to 0, and substituting these values in equation number 9. So if I substitute these values in equation number 9, then what we are getting, curly f12 over curly x naught plus curly f2 0 over curly x1 curly f0 1 over curly x2 is equal to 0. So it is curly bz over curly ct plus curly minus ey over curly x1 not x1 but it is simply curly x plus curly ex over curly y is equal to 0. It is 1 by c curly bz over curly t plus curly, not curly, what I can write it as curly ey over curly x with negative sign plus curly ex over curly y is equal to 0. So it can be expressed as taking negative sign from here common and bringing towards that side. So it was curly vz over curly t plus curly ey over curly x minus curly ex over curly y. This is equal to 0, and this is basically the z component of electric field, curl of electric field. So that means it is 1 by c curly vz over curly t plus del cross E. Its z component, it must be equal to 0. Similarly, we can deduce another components. So similarly, we can derive that this del cross E is a x component plus 1 by c curly b x over curly t, it must be equal to 0, and del cross E its y component plus 1 by c curly by over curly t, it is equal to 0. So if we club all these relations or put all these together, then this may lead to the expression that del cross E plus 1 by c curly b vector over curly t, it must be equal to 0. So this is also Maxwell's equation. So that means using equation 9, two homogeneous Maxwell's equations can be derived. That means curly f lambda mu over curly x nu plus curly f mu over curly x lambda plus curly f nu lambda over curly x mu must be equal to 0, and this equation leads to del dot b is equal to 0 and del cross E must be equal to minus 1 by c curly b over curly t. Right? So that's what we are concluding from this part. Now again consider electromagnetic field tensor. Again consider electromagnetic field tensor to derive in homogeneous equations. So curly f mu new upon curly x new is equal to, sorry, it's not in this form. Curly f mu new up over curly x new is equal to minus 4 pi by cj new. Now let us consider mu is equal to 1. So if I use mu as 1, then this equation can be written as f1 new over curly x new 4 pi by cj1. Now curly f10 over curly x naught plus curly f11 upon curly x1 plus curly f12 over curly x2 plus curly f13 over curly x3 is equal to 4 pi by cj1 with the negative sign, right? So this will become, if I use their values from earlier lecture, so then it is curly ex over curly ct plus, and its value will be 0, and here its value will be curly minus vz over curly y plus curly vy over curly vz. It must be equal to minus 4 pi by c in the jx. So it can be written as 1 by c curly ex over curly t minus curly vz over curly y minus curly vy over curly vz. Minus can be taken outside, so it is minus 4 pi by cjx. Now operating both sides by negative sign, then it will become 1 by c curly ex over curly t, the plus del cross b. It is the x component of curl of magnetic field, and it is 4 by cjx. That means we can write down it as del cross b, its x component, minus 1 by c curly ex over curly t. It is 4 pi by cjx. Similarly, we can write down del cross b, its y component, minus 1 by c curly ey over curly t is equal to 4 pi by cjy, and del cross b, its z component, it must be minus 1 by c curly e z over curly t is equal to 4 pi upon cjz. So if we club all these three results, then we can write down del cross b minus 1 by c curly e over curly t. It is 4 pi by c is a j vector. This is another form of Maxwell's equation. Now we will again consider the same equation. Again consider curly f mu new over curly x new is equal to 4 pi upon cj mu, and let us call mu is equal to 0. So if I use this, then curly f0 nu upon curly x nu is equal to minus 4 pi v c and the j naught. So it is basically curly f0 0 curly x 0 plus curly f01 over curly x1 plus curly f02 upon curly x2 curly f03 over curly x3 must be equal to minus 4 by c into j naught, and this j naught is equal to 0 as we know from earlier lectures. So therefore this may leads to curly e x upon curly x plus curly e y over curly y plus curly minus e z over curly z is equal to minus 4 pi by c. And 0, this will cancel out with it, and this negative sign will cancel out with it. So that means this leads to curly ex over curly x plus curly ey over curly y plus curly ez over curly z. It is 4 pi rho. So that means this leads to the equation that del dot E is equal to 4 pi rho. This is also Maxwell's equation. So in other words, I can say that curly f mu nu over curly x nu is minus 4 pi by c j nu. This leads to two equations, that is del cross p is minus 1 over c curly e by curly t is equal to 4 pi by c j vector, and del dot E is equal to 4 pi rho. So these are the two inhomogeneous Maxwell's equations. Right. So these equations can be derived using the 4-vector formulation. So here I have used the contravariant form, and for the homogeneous equations I have used the covariant form. So this is all about this. So thanks for watching this video.